So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use polls to increase your story's engagement. So let's begin the video. So first of all, in the bottom, you can see an plus icon. Click on the plus icon and go to the story. Here, select a picture or a background, anything you want. Then here you can see an icon. Click on that and search for poll. Here write your question and enter your option. If you want to add other option, click on add another option. After that, you can click on this icon to change its color, add some music to it, and try to upload at a time when your viewers are mostly active. So that's how you can post poll in stories in Instagram to increase the stories engagement. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.